Hello friends, welcome to WK Lectures. In this lecture, we will be discussing the question number 58. In WKB approximation, E is greater than V. So E is greater than V and V is constant. Okay. Now the wave number K can be given as 2m under root 2m divided by E minus V divided by H cross. So this is K. Now we have the Schrödinger equation del square psi plus 2m into E minus V divided by H cross square times psi, this is square, psi equal to 0. Now we can write this as del square psi plus 2m into E minus V by H cross square is nothing but K square psi equal to 0. Now in differential form we can write d square psi plus K square psi equal to 0. From here you can write d square plus K square equal to 0, which means d square equal to minus K square. So d square equal to minus K square implies d equal to plus or minus Ik. Now this tells you that the wave is sinusoidal, both positive and negative direction. So the wave function will be psi is equal to a e to the power ikx, which moves in the positive x direction, plus some b into e to the power minus ikx. So plus ikx and minus ikx. So the option is option 3.